Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best climate action is probably one of the most important and impactful choices you can make today, offering a powerful way to combat the growing unease and overwhelm associated with environmental concerns and the future of our planet, allowing you to channel your worries into tangible positive change and contribute to a healthier, more sustainable world for everyone. Number 5. Zacurate Pro Series 500DL Pulse Oximeter. Introducing the Zacurate Pro Series 500 deciliters. It provides accurate readings for your blood oxygen saturation and pulse rate, giving you peace of mind. Designed for simplicity, this fingertip pulse oximeter is incredibly easy to use. Just place your finger inside, and get your results in seconds. This device comes with everything you need, including a protective silicone cover, batteries, and a convenient lanyard for on-the-go use. The included silicone cover ensures a comfortable and secure fit, preventing any discomfort during use. It's designed for your well-being. Available in a sophisticated royal black color, it combines functionality with a sleek design. It's a stylish addition to your health monitoring tools. Take control of your health with this essential device. It's perfect for athletes, pilots, or anyone needing to monitor their oxygen levels. What we like? This device provides quick and accurate readings of your blood oxygen levels and pulse rate. It's incredibly simple to use, just clip it on and get your results instantly. If you need a reliable and portable way to monitor your vital signs at home or on the go, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This book offers practical strategies and actionable steps to combat climate anxiety. The author provides a hopeful and empowering perspective on addressing climate change. It's a valuable resource for anyone feeling overwhelmed by the climate crisis. Number 4. Goli Ashwagandha and Vitamin D Gummy. Introducing Goli Ashwagandha and Vitamin D Gummy, a delicious way to support your well-being. These mixed berry gummies are crafted with care to help you relax and restore. Feeling stressed? Let these gummies help you unwind. They are designed to promote a sense of calm and balance in your daily routine. Made with KSM, 66 ashwagandha and vitamin D, these gummies are a powerhouse of natural goodness. We use only the finest ingredients for your benefit. Enjoy the benefits without compromise. These gummies are vegan, plant-based, and free from gluten and gelatin, making them suitable for everyone. We believe in purity. That's why our gummies are non-GMO and gluten-free, ensuring you get a clean and wholesome supplement. Incorporate them into your day to find your calm. A single pack provides a convenient way to support your journey to relaxation and restoration. What we like? These gummies are designed to help you relax and restore your inner balance. They offer support for a better mood and are a delicious way to incorporate ashwagandha into your routine. If you're looking for a natural and enjoyable way to manage stress and unwind, these are perfect for you. What people say. This book offers practical strategies and actionable steps to combat climate anxiety. The author provides a clear framework for understanding and addressing the emotional impact of climate change. It's a valuable resource for anyone feeling overwhelmed by environmental concerns, offering hope and empowerment. Number 3. MUSE 2 Brain Sensing Headband. Meet MUSE 2, a smart headband designed to help you understand your brain. It guides you towards a more relaxed and present life, improving your mental well-being through meditation. This device works great on its own, providing core EEG-powered feedback and session tracking. You can immediately start improving your brain health and focus. Simply wear the headband, connect via Bluetooth to the MUSE app, and choose your meditation. Take a deep breath and let the responsive sound feedback guide you into relaxation. After each session, receive a calm score to track your progress. This helps you understand your internal cues, enabling you to relax, build energy, and optimize performance. MUSE is backed by research from prestigious institutions and used by neuroscientists globally. Our award-winning sensors and commitment to credibility ensure a trusted experience. While it works great out of the box, an optional premium subscription unlocks an AI coach, deeper brain insights, and over 500 guided meditations. What we like? This innovative headband uses EEG technology to track your brain activity during meditation. It provides personalized feedback and guided sessions to help you deepen your practice. If you're serious about improving your mental well-being, understanding your brain, and achieving a more relaxed state, this is the tool for you. What people say. This book provides practical strategies and actionable steps to combat climate anxiety. The author offers a hopeful and empowering perspective, equipping readers with tools to make a difference. It's a valuable resource for anyone feeling overwhelmed by the climate crisis, offering guidance on how to channel that concern into positive action. Number 2. Tide Original Scent Liquid Laundry Detergent. Introducing Tide Original Scent Liquid Laundry Detergent. It's designed to tackle your toughest laundry challenges. This powerful formula is effective on 100% of common stains. You can trust it to keep your clothes looking their best. Enjoy the classic original scent with every wash. It leaves your laundry smelling fresh and clean. With 80 fluid ounces, this bottle provides enough detergent for 64 loads. It offers great value and convenience for your household. Choose Tide for a superior clean. It's the laundry soap you can rely on for all your washing needs. What we like. This powerful detergent is formulated to tackle 100% of common stains, leaving your clothes impeccably clean. Its original scent provides a classic, fresh fragrance. If you're dealing with everyday messes and need a reliable, effective laundry solution that offers great value for a large number of loads, this is the one to pick. What people say. This book offers practical strategies and actionable steps to combat climate anxiety. The author provides a clear framework for understanding and addressing the emotional impact of climate change. It's a valuable resource for anyone feeling overwhelmed by environmental concerns, offering hope and empowerment. Number 1. Tide Free and Gentle Liquid Laundry Detergent. Introducing Tide Free and Gentle. It's designed to be gentle on your skin while still providing a powerful clean for your laundry. This hypoallergenic formula is perfect for sensitive skin. You can trust it to clean effectively without irritation. With 84 fluid ounces, this bottle offers 64 loads of exceptional cleaning. It's a great value for your household needs. Experience a deep clean that removes tough stains and odors. It leaves your clothes looking and feeling fresh. Tide is a name you can rely on for all your laundry needs. Choose Free and Gentle for a clean you can feel good about. What we like. This detergent is specifically designed for sensitive skin, offering a deep clean without harsh chemicals. It's hypoallergenic and free from dyes and perfumes. If you or someone in your family has sensitive skin or allergies, and you want a powerful clean that's gentle on fabrics and skin, this is the ideal choice. What people say. This book offers practical strategies and actionable steps to combat climate anxiety. It provides a hopeful and empowering perspective on addressing the climate crisis. The book is well-researched and grounded in scientific evidence, offering a clear understanding of the issues. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.